Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in previous video, I explained how to check keywords in Python and explained that you have to import keyword library and you can use KW list inbuilt function to check all the list of keywords. And is keyword function you can use to check that the entity is identifier or a keyword. And then I explained help, second method to check keyword list. So by using help methods you can check the keyword list, and if you want to know the definition of a specific keyword, so you can use this method help and pass the key. Here you need to mention your specific keyword name. So this is all I explained in a previous video. In this video I will explain furthermore. So suppose if you want to know um, your keyword list, the number of keywords, so how you can check? You can check kw list. So this is the list, and for the count you need to use len function, right? So 35. So if you have 35 output for this code, that means you are using the latest version. If you have less than 35, that means you are using the older version. You have to upgrade your version. So you have to make sure that you have 35 keywords, otherwise some functions, some keywords will not work in Python in your whatever the version you are using. So next thing I want to teach you that these are case sensitive. So keywords are case sensitive. So if keywords are how to check this, right? So how I can check this? Suppose I need a function x. Suppose x already taken, so y I need to check y is equal to 10 if y greater than 3, right? Then print okay, and I run this program, so it will give me an output, right? So it is working fine. Suppose if is a keyword here, all right? So if I use capital I, then I run this, it will give me a syntax error. So why? Because keywords are case sensitive. So always remember, keywords are case sensitive. And one more question mainly asked in interview question: are all keywords in small letters? No, no, big no. So in the list you can see these are the three only keywords starting with capital letter, all are in a small letter. So all the keywords are not in a small letter, only three are in a title case letter, rest of are small letters. So you have to keep this thing in mind. So if you want to check this, one I can explain, like 2 is equal to 10. So if I run this, it will give me an error. But if I use small letter, then it will work, right? So this is a second tips I want to give you. One more is print and one more ex. So execute. So this is, these both are now a inbuilt function. Now it work like this. Sorry, if I'm not wrong, you have to use this inside any. I'm not sure about this, the explanation where we use it. Print, we know to print anything, and these were uh, part of keyword, but in latest version these are not keywords, these are inbuilt function. So these two words are deprecated. So this is the third part I want to explain. So make sure, in interview question they can ask, are they keywords or inbuilt functions? So many people think that this is a keyword. This is known, I mean many people familiar, but this is for this people are not familiar. So you have to tell that this is not a keyword anymore. These two words keywords are deprecated. So exec, yes, this is the right spelling. So suppose if I want to use this method, so it will work or not, you can check this, right? Let's see. I'm also excited because I never checked this. And run this program. False. So you can see this is not a keyword now. Let's see this one as well. This is also false. So these two are now functions, and but in previous versions these were keywords, and these are now in latest version deprecated. So this is you need to keep in your mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.